Chip Clark, partner here at Goodin, Abernathy in Indianapolis, Indiana. Today's December 17th, 2020, and this week began the distribution of the COVID-19 vaccines. And a lot of people are asking, can my employer or the government mandate that I receive the COVID-19 vaccine? And the simple answer to that is yes, they can, but it's pretty unlikely, and it's going to depend on a lot of different factors. It's very unlikely that the federal government is going to mandate anyone receive the COVID-19 vaccine. However, historically, states have had the right to mandate vaccines. However, that's also probably pretty unlikely. What's more likely is that employers and states will condition return or access to public spaces or schools or colleges and universities on people receiving that vaccine. Currently, all 50 states and Washington, D.C. have laws that require students to be vaccinated before they return to school. The industries that are most likely to require vaccines are going to be those industries in which people are most subject to getting the disease. For example, people in the healthcare industry, people in the public safety industry, or education. Another important factor in whether or not the vaccine may ever become mandated is going to be the availability of the vaccine. The vaccines that are available have emergency use authorization by the Food and Drug Administration. We expect it could take months before those vaccines receive full approval by the FDA. It's not clear if employers could legally mandate a vaccine that's only been approved for emergency use by the FDA. In fact, what's more likely to happen is that they're going to encourage people to voluntarily receive the vaccine. Assuming large numbers of people get vaccinated voluntarily, then the need to have mandates is going to be much less likely. A lot of that's going to depend on the number of people who agree to get vaccinated and the available supply of the vaccine. On the other hand, once the vaccine gets approved by the FDA, if there are enough people that have been vaccinated, there's not likely to be any mandates. However, if the number of vaccinated people is pretty low and there's still an available supply of vaccine, we can probably expect to see some mandates either by employers or by state governments. As with any vaccine, there will be exceptions to any mandates. For example, pregnant women, people with disabilities, people with deeply held religious convictions will be accepted from any vaccine mandates. So, what does all of this mean for you? Well, to be vaccinated is a personal decision for each of us. I can tell you that I, for one, look forward to receiving this vaccine when it becomes available. And I look forward to putting an end to this deadly disease. If you have questions about how this vaccine might affect your employment, please feel free to call me for a free consultation. Again, my name is Chip Clark, a partner at Goodin Abernathy. You can contact me by phone at 317-843-2606 or contact me on the web via our website, www.goodinabernathy.com. Thanks.